Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Ethereum has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, RSI and divergence are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 4.1% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $12.97. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the price only peaked above the 50 SMA, but then once again came down, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at $12.91, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at $13.23 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, we can see that the price is situated in the hourly ribbon, so it is yet to be seen if the price can break the resistance currently at around $13.18. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 50, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around $13.33. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around $13.94. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 43. So there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the 3-hourly time frame, there is a bullish divergence, which means we can expect the price going up, or at least to remain stable for some time. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 100 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around $14.67. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around $15.62. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 37, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.